guys, today I made my own Roomba from Kiwico and I used these instructions to help me. And now I'm going to show you how it works. Look, just push on it hard and I made this mess. Something's gone! Now look where that mess went, inside the Roomba's trash can. So as you can see, these bristles move the cotton balls, then they come out in the dump. And it's easy to empty them. Now let me show you it all. Again. And again. Again. And the last one. And sometimes they'll come out if you're going too fast. And look at all of them in here. So that's it done. Bye guys. Hope to see you again.